Yeah, so to celebrate getting 375 subscribers, I'm going to be going to rock and roll. So, yeah, give this a go. Do apologise if there's any swearing. Oh, God.
Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, the show is about to begin.
Yeah, the sweaty hands. Hiya!
Yeah, what's your safety mask about? What's your...
So here we go. Put it on the wrong one. Oh shit in hell. Oh bollocks. Oh sorry, I do apologise, sorry about the language there. Wow, okay. Yeah, this is spinning a bit. Try and sit in the middle.
You get ready for this, about what's your...
Oh god, here we go.
Here, get ready to rock and roll, here we go.
Here we go. This ain't fun. This ain't fun, ain't even spinning yet. Oh shit in hell! Oh bollocks! Oh no, sorry about the language. Oh dear! Oh, this is wrong. This is wrong in so many levels. Oh my god, holy upside down. Holy crony! Oh my god! I don't like this. Oh, this is stupid. Whose idea was this? Oh my god! The hexagon. Oh god, this is a stupid idea. Oh, this is so wrong on so many levels. I'm not enjoying this at all. Not at all. This is so wrong. No. Oh, here we go. Oh no, let's be the end. I don't want it to carry on. Please.
Let's go.
No. Oh god. Sorry, you don't get much view of this. Just a lot of swearing and shouting. Oh god! Oh no, this is stupid! Oh dear! No! Oh no! Oh my god! Oh goodness me! Oh dear! This is so stupid! Oh, this is a stupid idea of mine! Oh, this is what is stupid! No! Oh my god! Oh no! I don't like this! Oh! Oh dear! Do not go! No! 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 Oh my god! Let's stop! Let's stop! Let's stop!
Try if you like to ride the next one, there's MTC. Join us out for the next one.
Oh dear! Oh. Oh. Didn't enjoy that. Yeah, they didn't spin much, but my god, that hung me upside down for too long. That's far too long upside down. Yeah, go on here with someone else. Sorry about that. Didn't enjoy it. Stupid ride.
Well, if you like to ride the next ride, MTC.
Sorry about
join us
that.
now, for the
That's
next
a
one.
silly ride. I won't be doing that again in a while. But yeah, thanks for subscribing. Stupid ride.